Good day, I am Anichka Katipay and I am going to explain about our rich picture drawing. So our problem here, which is located in the middle, is less number of people getting vaccinated. So this addresses an awareness to people and encourage to get vaccinated. So as you can see, the images circling around the problem or the photos you see here are the stakeholders to the problem. First, we have the healthcare workers, then the government vaccinators who vaccinate individuals, the unvaccinated people, the social media influencers, the older generation, and if we have unvaccinated people, then we have also the opposite, which is the vaccinated people. Then government officials, and lastly, the uneducated people. So these stakeholders are individuals who are part of the existing problem. So they are somehow related to each other and they share connectivity. So as you have noticed, there are arrows in the drawing and that indicate relations of stakeholders to each other. That includes its contributions or what can a specific stakeholder can do or contribute to the another stakeholder where the arrow points, which you can see the yellow color here signifies this. So on the other hand, the green color here signifies the problem that may occur between the relationship of two stakeholders, or we can also term this as fears. So first, let us dive in from healthcare workers pointing an arrow to the uneducated people. So in this, healthcare workers will provide health teachings to these uneducated people about the importance of getting vaccinated. And the fears or problems that might arise would be on how to effectively educate and eliminate the doubts from uneducated people because we have different views about things and we cannot control someone's decision if they are convinced or not, or still they have doubts despite the encouraging factor you are giving. So next is the arrow pointing from the government to the problem, less number of people getting vaccinated, where the government can enhance public trust about vaccination through reassuring people that they have the effective ability to have availability and distribution of COVID-19 vaccines and that they can vaccinate all Filipinos. So the fear here is the low range of herd immunity because still we cannot please people, but if we always try, nothing would be impossible. And if government will make a way for this, then it would be possible to have high range of herd immunity in the country. So another relation is from social media influencers to where the arrow points, which is to the problem in the middle. So social media can share facts about COVID-19 vaccine to people since there are numbers of users around the world on different social media platforms. So the fear that may happen, which is indicated through the green color, is fake news is circling online and will trigger people to not get vaccinated. Just for example, a Facebook post about someone who died because of vaccine, which is not scientifically proven and or has not been studied or investigated. So next is from the older generation, pointing an arrow to the uneducated people, where this older generation can influence the uneducated people because mostly we base our perspectives to people older than us and that we think that they experience more things compared to us in our young age. So the fear that can happen is that older generation can share beliefs that contradicts with vaccination facts. For example, they have a belief that the vaccine is the virus itself. That is what we commonly hear even now. And that the government is only making profits out of this whole thing and that COVID is not real. Telling that it's just part of the game. And it has somehow influenced other people and make them think the other way around. So they will start to doubt and to question things about getting vaccinated. So the last arrow is from the vaccinated people pointing towards the unvaccinated people, where the vaccinated can share their experience, satisfaction of the vaccine, and to encourage the unvaccinated to get vaccinated. So the fear that can happen or problem that can happen is on how to effectively encourage the unvaccinated, because there are still existing doubts in them that pulling them from their decision to get vaccinated. So generally, there are a lot of factors and stakeholders affecting the problem of having less number of people getting vaccinated. And the only way to solve the problem and overcome the fears is to build strong foundation between each other. As a group, we have learned in this task that there are a lot of causes of problems and so solutions as well. And that problem comes from different corners and fields, and that it has roots from where it began, from what causes it to arise. We also learn that there are many factors that could affect someone's ability to decide and to create a strong will for something, and that it has to be that you yourself needs to check for things, for facts about something to validate a certain matter. So you have to be responsible on everything you deal with. Nothing is more important than knowing that you exerted efforts to validate something for everybody's good. And I think that would be all for our rich picture drawing, and I hope that you understand what we want to convey and hope you listen. Thank you.